This is our video on cellular respiration, and specifically the transition reaction and fermentation. Cellular respiration is the methods that the cells use to make ATP, depending on the available oxygen and biological makeup. It's also the complete oxidation of glucose.
What is cellular respiration? Multiple choice. A. Metabolic harvesting of energy by oxidation, ultimately dependent on molecular oxygen carried out by the Krebs cycle and oxidizing.
I don't know what you're all saying.
The method cells use to make up ATP depending on available oxygen and the biological makeup. C. Complete oxidation of glucose. Or D. All of the above.
All of the above?
Correct!
Transition reaction is the process of when two pyruvates that have low potential energy are received from glycolysis through facilitated diffusion inside the mitochondria. Pyruvate is oxidized to reduce acetyl, decarboxylated to produce 2CO2, and dehydrogenated to produce electrons to reduce 2 NAD+ into 2 NADH, which holds a high potential energy to be used later in the ETC. Acetyl is bound with coenzyme A to form acetyl-CoA. Acetyl-CoA then proceeds to the Krebs cycle.
Hey, Brittany. So, what is produced from the transition reaction? I don't know. Give your best guess. Wait, ask the question again. What is produced from the transition reaction? What is this called? What is this for? Like, what is this? Okay, say it again.
Of the cell cycle.
Of the cell cycle, what is produced during the transition reaction? Mitosis. The correct answer is it produces 2 NADH, 2 CO2, and 2 acetyl-CA.
The transition reaction produces ATP.
True.
The correct answer actually is false. The transition reaction is the only segment of cellular respiration that does not produce ATP.
Fermentation is the process that occurs in lieu of oxygen, when no oxygen is present. It oxidizes NADH back into NAD+ and creates lactic acid. It produces 2 ATP and allows glycolysis to reoccur.
True or false? Fermentation needs oxygen.
False. Anything further? What happens without oxygen?
It goes into a different cycle that I don't know what it's called.
Correct. It is false. Without oxygen, glycolysis can occur with fermentation, replacing the remaining steps. Thank you. Good job.
What does fermentation produce? Oh wait, A. A. Lactic acid. B. Alcohol. C. Headaches. D. Both A and B.
It's a very good interception.
I think it's
Dangerous looking attack.
or no, B.
Okay, B is real close. Try again.
Is it A and B?
Correct, Miles! Wow!
In summary, glycolysis produces 2 pyruvate that proceed to the transition reaction. The transition reaction produces 2 CO2 and 2 NADH, and then 2 acetyl-CoA that proceed to the Krebs cycle. No ATP is used or produced in transition reaction.